In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Tasks dark mode. This change is perfect for those who find themselves working late into the night, or for anyone who just prefers a more subdued look for their digital workspace. It's quite simple, so let's walk through the process together. First off, let's head over to Google. You can do this by typing www.google.com into your web browser's address bar. Once the page loads, you're going to want to look for the Sign In button. It's typically located in the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on it. After clicking on Sign In, the next page will prompt you to enter your email. This is the email associated with your Google account. Type it in carefully and proceed. A picture on the page will guide you if you're unsure where to input this information. Next up, it's time for your password. Enter the password associated with your Google account. Remember, your password is case sensitive, so make sure you're entering it exactly as you set it. If you're having trouble remembering your password, there's usually an option to reset it. Click on Next once you've input your password correctly. Again, visuals are available on the web page if you find yourself a bit lost. Once successfully signed in, it's time to navigate to your Google dashboard. This can be easily accessed from Google's main page. On the dashboard, you'll find various settings and options related to your Google account. In the dashboard, look for a Settings option. This is where Google allows you to customize your account and various Google services to your liking. Click on the Settings to explore the settings available to you. Within the Settings menu, there's an option labeled Theme. This is where you can customize the appearance of your Google services. Go ahead and click on Theme. Once you're in the Theme section, you should see an option to set a theme. Click on Set Theme and then select Dark. This will change the theme to dark mode, which turns the background to dark colors and text to light colors, making it easier on your eyes during the night or in low light conditions. Congratulations! You've successfully set your Google Tasks to dark mode. This simple change can make a big difference in reducing eye strain and making your workspace more comfortable. Remember, the process might slightly differ depending on your device, but generally these instructions will guide you through without any hitches. And if you ever find the dark mode not to your liking, you can always repeat the steps and choose a different theme that suits your preference better. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. Adjusting the digital environment to suit your needs and preferences can make a big difference in your daily computing experience. Enjoy the new look of your Google Tasks, and don't forget to explore other personalization options available in your Google account settings.